let's explore deeper into the Audi R8 GT. Focus on the R8 GT's engine and performance. Technical deep dive explore the intricacies of the naturally aspirated V10 engine, including its displacement, horsepower, torque, and redline. Discuss the engineering challenges and solutions involved in maximizing performance from a naturally aspirated engine in an era of turbocharging. Track performance highlight the R8 GT's track-focused capabilities. Discuss elements like its aerodynamic package, carbon ceramic brakes, and electronic stability control system. Compare its lap times on iconic tracks to establish its performance benchmark. Sound experience. The auditory experience is a crucial part of any performance car. Capture the unique sound of the R8 GT's V10 engine, both inside and outside the car. Explain how the engine note changes with RPM and gear selection. Focus on the R8 GT's interior and technology. Luxury and performance coexistence. Explore how Audi has balanced luxury and performance within the R8 GT's interior. Discuss the materials used, attention to detail, and the overall ambience. Technology showcase. Highlight the advanced technology features available in the R8 GT. This could include the digital cockpit, infotainment system, driver assistance features, and any unique technological innovations. Customization options. Discuss the range of customization options available for the R8 GT, from exterior colors and interior trims to performance upgrades. Comparison to competitors. Benchmarking. Compare the R8 GT to its primary competitors in the supercar segment. Focus on key areas like performance, handling, technology, and pricing. Target audience. Identify the target audience for the R8 GT and explain how the car caters to their needs and desires. Track-focused performance. Circuit dynamics. Explore the R8 GT's behavior on a racetrack. Discuss its handling characteristics, cornering abilities, braking performance, and acceleration. Driver involvement. Emphasize the driver-focused nature of the R8 GT. Discuss the importance of driver skill in extracting maximum performance from the car. Technology and performance. Explain how advanced technologies like torque vectoring, electronic stability control, and adaptive suspension contribute to the R8 GT's track prowess.